Let's make some DIY sunscreen. Here's what you're gonna need: avocado oil, virgin coconut oil, carrot seed oil. You could also use raspberry seed oil, non-nano zinc oxide, airtight container. I repurposed this hot sauce bottle because it's cute and travel sized. Lavender essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, and citronella essential oil. To a mixing bowl, add a 1/4 cup of virgin coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of avocado oil, a tablespoon of carrot seed oil, 2 tablespoons of non-nano zinc oxide, and 10 drops of essential oils. I did 4 drops of lavender, 4 drops of eucalyptus, and 2 drops of citronella. All the ingredients I used will be linked below. Stir to combine until all clumpies are gone. Now, add to your airtight container. If you're curious why I use what I use, check out the blog post for this recipe. It explains the benefits of each ingredient. That will be linked below. I used a funnel and an eyedropper just to be safe. This recipe makes 8 ounces of DIY sunscreen, and I was able to fill this and 2 other travel-sized containers. Here's how I use it. Shake well. Apply to skin and massage in until white cast is no longer visible. Reapply after every hour of full sun exposure. And that's it. And if you like easy DIY recipes like this one, check out my book, DIY It All. It has over 100 DIY recipes for the home and body. You can get it on Amazon. Order your physical copy or download it today. That is linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.